So it means some directions. It dictates some leaderships and as well focus on the strengthening of the health in the urban areas. I raised this issue. It's a very aligned with the today's topics because it's a very sensitive and unaddressed topics and issues in the previously, which initiatives taken by the IPAS as well as the relevant stakeholders, the sexual and reproductive health issues. Some of the dignitaries raised many issues like Additional Secretary Mr. Salam sir. It's a part of rights. Actually, the last part of the presentations I enjoyed and I have observed that there's so many denominators, so many variables, rightly and precisely and very strongly is a come up. The previous scenario from the baseline to end line, significant improvement, but mostly it is in the part of awareness, advocacy, and the intervention is a very selective, though it is very important in the only the adolescents group. But the rights of the maternal issues, the women's issues, even then adolescents issues, maybe many of said that is not exactly reflected, though it is a very initial the 5 years plan. Maybe in future it directs and keep importance on this issue. Still in our social circumstances, the women's rights still underprivileged and dominated by the male group, which rightly mentioned by many of the dignitaries. Here is another vibrant part, the leading by the OGSB. So many senior leaders of the OGSBs sitting here. Some of us is very known to me and my teachers and my learned faculties are also there. And there's maybe one of the senior most, the Professor Roshana Madam is here, as well as Professor Samarov and Professor Ferdowsi Madam is here. We know all of them is very known. As the current some dignitaries is here, Professor Jannatul Firdaus and the maybe principals of the principal of the one of the medical college, Shohid Tajuddin, and some others, the renowned leaders, the renowned gynecologists are sitting here. But I request them to come up and to take more initiative in that issues, because you have a very good platform and access to every level, up to the rural level. You have can go through your organizations, can take the initiatives further with that issues. Like Professor Fahmida Naz is also contribute in her comments that so they can come up and can take the initiatives for future, as well as the current authority or the current committee of the OGSB. I request them to come up forward to take such type of initiatives. What played by the IPAS as well, maybe can take the joint business. They raised the questions of the fundings. I think the present government is now very broad about the fundings and the budget already. The increase, I think that will be addressed by our today's chief guest. The issues, DGHS actually have the authority can contribute. So as a DG, the issues is very vibrant and it's very important, and there is many scopes to address in different areas. So though it is a very critical issues, addressing the sexual and reproductive health, particularly rights. So I think there is a component maybe addressed by the law issues, and the policies issues maybe contribute there also. Definitely now the topic actually addressing the underprivileged area, particularly in the urban, there is a challenge, because the underserved populations in the urban area, the literacy rate in such a way, the working environment is very challenging, and their lifestyles also in such a way they are maintaining. It's a very crucial issues to challenge them, the sexual and reproductive issues, because still women are dominated by the males traditionally, and the adolescent groups actually diverged in many ways. the time is digitalizations, time is the internet. So they are actually disbursed in many ways, misguided in many ways. So so in that scenario, another participants may raise a very important issues. That is, in the last 5 years with that projects, a group already, the HR develops their capacity and they are they already trained. So how we can use that, the experts and the capacited healthcare personnel can use in future regarding this issue? Definitely